Item number 15, my lord. Here we have interim, my lord. Can be after vacation, my lord.
Let me check how many adjournments you have taken.
My lord, before, I think it has been 4 or 5 times, my lord.
Huh? No,
Then Kesdari was not there, my
no,
lord.
no. Do you have like a CD?
So the Kesdari has been received, my lord.
CD received.
No.
Then, my lord, it can be on 27th this month, last day.
Yes.
Of next month. After vacation. Oh, my lord,
Learned Counsel
Before-
Mr.
before vacation, my lord, yes.
has
27,
paid for
6.
adjournment, CD is received. List the matter on 27th. CD to
Six.
be CD to be retained till 27th.
That is the interim order, my lord,
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
of last month.
May I please, Lordship? I like to mention one criminal appeal. It is appeal in respect of acquittal.
Court number 3, you'll have to mention.
Court number 3.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30, lordship. In this case, I am on interim bail, lordship. Case that was called for, probably case that was not there.
CD as call for is not received, issue remain there. List the matter on 1/3/13,
30, this 3.
16 July.
Highly obliged. Interim may continue. lordship.
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Number 30.
May I please, Your Honor, I beg to mention. Beg to mention item number 27, Lordship, bail hearing, Lordship. Lordship, kindly adjourn the matter for after vacation, Lordship. There is an interim order, Lordship.
How many times you have taken adjournment?
No, Lordship, I have not
Well,
taken.
it is-
27 saw item number 57.
Lordship, earlier 3 occasion, case that don't receive, thereafter in third time, Honorable Court has granted interim order, Lordship.
Okay.
Thereafter, this is the first time for bail taken.
The counsel Miss
A Begum.
A Begum has prayed for adjournment, list the matter on. Send back the CD, call for the up-to-date CD, interim order shall remain in force till then.
Obliged.
Okay, to mention item number 8, my lord.
Hmm.
Charge sheeted case scan copy has been received,
Hmm.
but matter may be taken up after vacation. In the meantime, updated status scan copy may be called.
Okay.
8.
Learned Counsel Mr. S. Nawaz has prayed for adjournment, list the matter on petition of Mr. TD.
Updated.
Updated,
Scan.
meanwhile, call for the updated scan copies of the trial court
Trial court.
records.
Deep level.
May I please, your lordship? I prefer to mention item number 34 of the daily list. Your lordship, the engaged counsel is indisposed. Kindly list the matter after
Learned Counsel
Before
Mr.
CD
as
received.
Bora.
S. Bora has prayed for adjournment, list the matter on. Are you on interim bail?
Interim, your
Earlier
lordship.
you have taken adjournment.
No, your lordship.
Are you sure?
Sure, lordship.
TD is received, send back the CD, call for the up-to-date CD. Adjournment is sought on the ground that the leading counsel is indisposed today.
Lordship, interim may be continued.
Interim order shall remain in force till then. List the matter on 18 July.
Highly obliged.
My pleasure, Lordship. I submitted an additional affidavit, Your Lordship, in connection with item number 36, Your Lordship. Kindly take with the record.
Oh, okay, additional affidavit. May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I want to mention the daily list number 23. Lordship, CD is not received.
Serious.
In this case, charge sheet submitted, madam.
Okay. Learned Counsel Mr.
Z. Dotto.
J. Dutta is present on behalf of the,
A.
Huh?
Chodu.
On
My lord, in this case, charge sheet submitted, madam.
Learned Counsel Mr. A. Chaudhary. Heard Mr. P. Learned Addition PP Assam, who has stated that charge sheet has been laid against the petitioner being CS number.
285/25 dated 35/25.
The petitioner is at liberty to approach the jurisdictional court and apply for bail, which may be considered by the court in accordance with law.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, FIR is number 7, Your Lordship. Vernacular is page number 10, Your Lordship. It is an accident matter, Your Lordship. I am a software engineer, Your Lordship. May I read the FIR, Your Lordship. Humble submission is that on 31st May of 2025 at 5:10 p.m., while my sister-in-law, namely Miss Nazma Yasmin 29 returned to home from Bazali District Court. Then a four-wheeler car was coming with rush, negligent and intentionally from Guwahati to Dhubri. Knock her from backside in front of the Bhawanipur Anshalik College, which slipped her a long distance and subsequently she died on the spot. The incident took place due to mistake of driver of vehicle number, registration number, so yellows. I'm a software engineer and I'm driver cum owner of the vehicle. Let's say it's a accident, your lordship. The section 105 culpable homicide not attracted, your lordship. Only 281 is attracted, which is rush driving, riding on public or public way, your lordship. And
When
her
the
punishment is only 6 months and bailable offense.
But when the person dies, then
On the spot, your lordship.
it's,
Immediately after vacation,
I think can be that.
CD may be called for them. Or any
CD may not be
on-
necessary, your lordship.
On
on
26,
When shut case,
yes, on 26, I'll produce the case.
this 26,
Yes, on 26,
27. For
27.
the CD list the matter on 27th.
Yes.
If CD won't come, then I'll.
Lordship. Oblige, your lordship.
Right, right, resolve lordship. My lord, it's a regular bail application, my lord. Here, my lord, definitely case diary would be necessary. Only thing, my lord, there is violation of 35(3), my lord. So kindly, my lord, within this week, my lord. And amount, my lord, already frozen, my lord.
Which Thana? Which Thana?
No, 3 hours away, my lord, Tezpur, my lord. Kindly, my lord.
No, it won't come.
My kindly, my lord.
CD,
Well, yes, yes.
it won't come.
My lord, we'll take a chance kindly because there is absolute
Call for the
violation.
CD list the matter on
Kindly, my lord.
26.
Oblige, my lord.
It won't come.
We'll try our luck, my lord.
Near Tezpur,
Yes, yes.
no,
Oblige, my lord.
it won't come.
Yeah, please, your lordship. In this case, my lord, the instruction was short for, my lord.
Yes,
Whether
I
any
have
case,
received the report, my lord. No case is pending registered against that.
Hard learner counsel, Mr.
K Thakur, my lord.
K. Thakur and learner additional PP, Mr. P. Bothakur. Gustav, the learner additional PP has submitted that no cases been registered in the which PS?
My lord, this report may kindly be kept as a
No
top of
case
the-
has been registered against the petitioner. Okay. Petition stands dismissed. The report of the IO is to be kept to the record.
Deep establishment.
Seen the report of the IO who has submitted that no case has been registered against the petitioner. Item 3.
My please, lordship. Item 3 is connected with item number 18 and 19 out of same case diary, your lordship. 18 and 19
We can take it
at later, your
18,
lordship.
19,
Oblige, lordship. After some time
after some time, okay.
with that.
একেলগে দি দিবা 18, 19 ৰ লগত। Item 4.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this application has been preferred by the petitioner, my lordship, subsequent to filing of a complaint.
Certificate
but-
case, my lord. Certificate.
No, no, my lordship, that is a different case, my lordship. In this case, after that case, formal complaint has been made before the Holloman police station. Now apprehending arrest, this petitioner has preferred this application, my lordship. The police,
No case has been registered.
my lordship, there, we don't have any information, but we have filed an application to get the
What is
copy of,
the incident? Where, which paragraph of your petition?
my lordship, paragraph 2, my lordship. May I read, my lordship?
Yes.
That the petitioner begs to state that on 28/5/2025 at around 3 p.m., a group of officials from All Women Police Station, Panbazar, Guwahati visited the residence of the petitioner and inquired about the petitioner and his whereabouts. When the relatives of the petitioner inquired about the matter from the officers, they informed his relatives that one Sri Papuri Hazorik Soikia has lodged an azahar before the officer in charge, All Women Police Station, Panbazar, Guwahati, and in the same regard, they had visited the residence of the petitioner. Now they are directing me to go appear before the police station, my lordship. So apprehending arrest, as she has already, my lordship, lodged an FIR. That case has been charge sheeted, my lordship, and I am duly appearing in that case. And that matter is pending in the additional district and session judge, my lordship. If your lordship will peruse page 30, my lordship. Annex 3, my lordship.
So
I
we'll call for a report.
Yes, I will
sir.
get a report, my lord, whether any other case is pending against the present accused.
My lordship, till then interim protection
no.
may be granted, my lordship.
Call for a report if any case is pending against the petitioner on any FIR lodged by any informant, namely Papuri Silkia.
My lordship,
Nalaya namnu na. Any case is pending against the petitioner in Pulibor PS.
no, my lordship, it's in Panbazar, all women police station.
Yeah, FIR has been lodged against the petitioner at Panbuzar PS. At Panbuzar PS.
Date may be
Nampi
fixed, my
kona.
lordship, short date may be
List
fixed.
the matter on 27th.
Highly obliged, my lordship.
May it please the lordship, I am led by Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, that may be taken up after some time. He's on leg lordship. Mr. H.R. Chaudhary will say lordship. He's on leg lordship after some
But we
time.
do not have the LCR.
Lordship.
We do not have the LCR for
Lordship,
admission. After some time, okay.
Yes, LCR not yet received, my lord.
So you just inform your senior because you see,
He's
your
coming.
LCR, I am not going to decide on admission.
He's
And it is
coming.
relating to, I think, washing of FIR.
Lordship.
So we'll need the LCR. Washing of FIR,
Let him come, lordship.
we'll need. But even then, I'm hesitant. You can inform.
Lordship.
Please, your lordship.
Hmm.
Here, lordship, I have filed one additional affidavit, lordship. Lordship will kindly see, I am not on the merit. I am on notice on the 50 CRPC and 47 BNSS. Not a single ground has been referred to for the reasons for the arrest, lordship. If your lordship kindly take up my additional affidavit, page number 34, lordship. In course of investigation, the above reference case, sufficient evidence collected against you for which you have been arrested. In connection with the instant case, the offence charged against you falls under the purview of non-bailable offence under section 20B2C, 29 NDPS Act. But a lordship knows very well that the reason of arrest has to be very clearly mentioned. That is what is the Vihan's judgment speaks of, lordship. And I am showing your lordship another notice under 50. You are hereby informed that you, Kharka Bahadur, Bordua, age 36 years, has been arrested in connection with the above noted case, which is non-bailable to the police. You have been nominated by the arrestee to inform about the same. No grounds of arrest at all. Now, lordship was, this is Vihan's judgment. I am sharing Vihan's judgment with lordship. Lordship knows well this about this judgment.
My lord, before my learned senior colleague, my lord, submit, my lord, more. My lord, here, no, just let me, just give a submission.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Please hold
That's
it.
my prayer,
Yes, let him
no,
say.
that's my prayer. My lord, because it is filed through additional affidavit, my lord, I require some time to, my lord, go through the same, my lord. Today
It
itself.
is 3 page.
My lord, I am praying today itself.
Today
Okay,
For the time
let
being,
it
my
be, let it be at 2 o'clock, lordship.
Yes.
Is good over there? Here. But can it be at 12? I think 2:45 court will raise your lordship. Can it be at 12:30, lordship?
Then
Developers.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, this is a 483 application, lordship. Charge sheeted case, lordship. FIR is on page 9, lordship.
Agor notes asile.
I have flag marked 153 statement of the my lord victim.
Lordship, kindly come to the FIR, lordship. This is a complaint petition that has been filed, lordship. After 66 days of the incident, lordship. Incident has occurred on 01/01/2025, lordship. And the FIR has been filed on 17 on 17/3/2025.
Where is the FIR? Etu
Lordship,
bond kore
FIR
dasun.
is on the type copy, lordship, annexure 1, page 9 is the FIR, lordship.
36 is the relevant first. Paragraph 3. Miraj was a masjid committee and a private person. He was boycotted. That's why this case was filed. So your worship mentioned, my lord, it is fairly submitted that the bar after perusal of the case diary that no case under POCSO has been made out. petition, so the petitioner have also incurred so.
Maybe you
I-
have.
I-
you
I'm
may
not
have
a-
good place, But
I live here.
relating to washing of charge sheet.
Now, only thing is tax sheet only one page 47, man. Only half minute will take, man. Page 47, man.
My lord, Lordship, can you take it after some time, my lord? My lord, Lordship, can you take it after some time, my lord? Some orders are awaited, my
Yes.
public.
11 search sheet submitted, my lord.
As far as the charge sheet has been submitted, my lord, and the petitioner has been arrested on 26th of April, my lord. As of now, my lord, he's in custody, my lord, 59 days, my lord. Not at this stage, my lord, if,
After
he has been
Pahalgam
submitted,
attack,
my
my
lord, my humble prayer before your lordship, my lord.
The court will immediately grant
Yes.
bail. You
Is
approach the court.
scan copy of the.
No, my lord, at this.
Also, my lord.
No,
He is in custody, my lord.
court will grant bail.
Let them again.
Yes,
approach.
And court below will not be.
What is the section?
Well, after
section-
Pahalgam attack, my lord, they
Yes,
have
ma'am.
made some.
Court will grant bail. Court will grant. Learned counsel, Mr.
Yes, Islam.
As Islam is present for the petitioner, Learned Edition City, Mr. P. Bhattakar has submitted that circuit has been laid against the petitioner. First of the petitioner is at liberty to approach the jurisdictional court which may be, and apply for bail which may be considered by the court in accordance with law.
12 also same, my lord.
12 also.
Same.
The search
Get
sheet,
it, Luga.
search sheet number in item
Sarsi
number,
number kita likhi diyo.
item number 11, 32/25, dated 14/6/25. And in 11, CS number. Same, no?
32.
Same,
That's same.
same charge.
No, no, my lord, not same. schedule, but,
Item number 11 is?
32.
11 is my lord, search sheet number 32/25, dated 14/6/25. And 12 is search sheet number 13/25,
1 3.
dated 18/6/25.
Lord, item 23, my lord. In that case, my lord, my learned friend has submitted that CS has been submitted, my lord. Already, my lord, he is in, the petitioner has been.
Your lordship has already passed the order.
Interim bail, my lord. Lord, that may be continued, my lord, till my appearance, my lord.
Item number?
23, my lord.
Okay.
And the
Uh,
petitioner's statement has already
no
been
further-
recorded, my lord.
Petitioner is at liberty, na?
Yes, my lord. The
Ite
petitioner's
order-
statement has already been recorded by the IOR.
Then I'll give you a time limit because
Yes, my
30
lord.
has been submitted and then you are asking for no coercive action.
No,
So
my
it
lord, that cannot be, that cannot be.
Cannot be
Yes, my lord.
extended.
He is
to
already,
eternity.
he is already in interim bail, my lord. And
Huh?
his statements has already been
Yes, yes,
recorded. my
I'll
lord.
give you a time
Till
limit.
my appearance, my lord, that protection may be given.
I'll give you a time limit, 20
Yes, ma'am.
days. Approach the jurisdictional court within 20 days. 20 days or 1 month? 1 month.
1 month.
Oh, within 1
Well,
month.
a date may be fixed, my lord, kindly a date. may-
1 month.
Yes.
30 days.
Within 1
30
month.
days. 30 days, likhi diya.
Yes, my lord.
That will be more specific.
Yes, my lord.
30 days. Till then, no coercive action to be taken.
Yes. Obliged.
23, market wide river.
May I please your lordship, my lord, date of 483 application, my lord.
In this case, my lord, 13 case diary not received, my lord. IO has prayed some time, my lord.
My lord, otherwise, my lord, in the FIR, the main accused and other FIR named persons, my lord, they have been granted bail by this honorable
Under
court
which section?
under 83, my lord. The husband and other persons, they have been granted bail by this honorable court, my lord.
82, no?
82, my lord, 82.
498.
No, my lord, dowry date, my
Dowry
lord.
date is there, so.
Oh, no.
No, no,
No, no, we'll need the.
my lord, there are materials, my lord, on the basis of which the other FIR named persons have been
No, no, no,
granted.
I'll need a CD. We have called for a CD or LCR.
CD, my lord,
CD.
CD.
CD. Well, let us try till the end of this.
Yes, my lord. It is from Bhangagar only, my lord.
CD has called for is not received. We should reminder list the matter on
Or 26.
20. No,
26
not
or
possible on
one-
26. 27.
26th.
27 till case that.
Last day, last day. 26th. Obliged, my lord.
14, my lord, case diary.
May I please also, my lord, 57 days, statutory period is 60 days also.
What is the offense?
Offense under section 69, physical relation with false promise to marriage lordship. Lordship already is 57 days I am in custody out of 60 days lordship.
Child has been born?
Yes, lordship, child born, but I have denied lordship. I have denied.
Okay, okay. All right.
57 days, lord.
Learned counsel, Mr.
Am I Hussain?
Am I Hussein to Bonpur is present for the petitioner. The petitioner
My lord, then, my lord, my lord, that is, the one councils already being submitted that scan copy. We have received the same, my lord. But that is the order passed on particular day, my lord. That was not, my lord, uploaded, my lord. Till today morning, I am trying to find it out and I requested to upload the same, my lord. So because of that, without that order, I cannot, my lord,
My lord, order
police
is
station, my lord.
required for, to serve the copy to the police
Because,
station
my lord-
lordship, because
because, my lord, in the-
they have undertaken before this honorable court lordship. I will bring the report from the police, sending the scan copy if they will produce, they will submit. We have accordingly within 1 hour, we serve the scanning the copy.
I cannot follow what were you saying?
Your lordship order has not been uploaded because of that reason they could not bring the
Because, my lord,
report
with that
lordship.
on the
That
strength
is
of order, I
anything
can only send.
to
my
the
lord.
court lordship.
So that was not uploaded, my lord, till
My lord,
morning, my lord.
That notice has not been served to respondent.
My lord, we are not able to send it, my
My lord, he was there. He knows that this is going on lordship. and-
Actually, I'm also suffering from shortage of secretaries.
No, lordship,
So there is a
that is
delay in
not
uploading
the,
the
no,
offense.
that is not the issue, lordship. He was there. He has undertaken before this honorable court, I'll bring some way, lordship, because he has not stated regarding the regarding the uploading of the order, lordship. He has only stated that if they serve the copy, we'll bring the.
See, one day my secretary took leave. Another day, another secretary took leave.
No, it is not,
So
it is
that
not required to explain all these things by your lordship, lordship.
Order could not be uploaded.
No, lordship, it is not the matter to explain all these things, lordship. Lordship, he has taken the undertaking, lordship, on that day that he will somehow bring the report, lordship. If they serve the copy, we serve the copy, he could have served the copy to the.
Suddenly on the next day, order was dictated, suddenly on the next day, one secretary had to take leave, and suddenly on that day afternoon, another secretary had to go away. So that order could not.
My lord, we
So now
are not
will
on.
need some time to.
No, we are not on that,
Whereas,
lordship.
I submitted on behalf of the prosecution, there are just some procedures there in our office laws. When notice was served, along with the other copy, we have submitted to CCS lordship. Then it go to the lordship concerned police station. This is the procedure lordship. So lordship.
Procedure, whatever is lordship.
This is
we
the
take
procedure.
the note, we have.
Go by the procedure, nothing else.
Okay,
lordship.
my lord, we
Go
have
by the procedure,
we have
nothing
taken
else. lordship.
steps in the month
You
of
are not
March,
behind
lordship.
bars. You see, you are not behind bars, so give us 3 days time.
My
You are
lord,
not behind bars.
in the meantime, then if they are taking time, lordship, since March, lordship, last Friday, only last time they have taken time.
So we have another 4-5 days, 5 days.
That is why, lordship,
Another 5 days.
we are running after this. We are also answerable with the client's lordship.
I understand.
In that case,
The main accused, my lord, he approached before this honorable court for AB, my lord. Because this is a case of murder, my lord, registered under 1031. FSL report not yet received, my lord. And in item number 18 and 19, petitioners are protected, my lord. And in item number 3, my lord, he is the main accused. He is the husband of the, my lord, deceased, my husband.
Where is the FIR? Item number 3, FIR.
FIR is page number
9, my lord.
9. There is a delay 22 days, your lordship. Date of incident took place 24 September 2024 and FIR was last on 16 October 2024.
8 October, no?
No, 16 October, your lordship. That's wrong date, your lordship.
Okay.
But in FIR original, your lordship, at column number, point number 3, your lordship, there is a date. Incident 24/9 and information received 16/10, your lordship. original FIR, Your Lordship, by police, Your Lord. Point number 3, Your Lordship.
That, have you received the CD? No.
CD received, my lord, CD is available, but my lord, the petitioners are in interim 18 and 19, and 3, my lord, he is the there are materials against accused number 3.
And then what is the PM report? Have you received the PM? report?
PM report is not conclusive, my lord, for which, my lord, FSL report.
Are there injuries?
Yes, my lord,
18 and 19
Let me
inches.
see the-
I will point out, my lord.
FSL not received.
FSL report, my lord, opinion regarding cause of death has been kept pending till receipt of report of chemical analysis of viscera from RFSL, Bongaigaon, Assam. And of chemical analysis of blood from BFSL, Kahilipa.
Let me see.
There is a problem of FSL and postmortem, Your Lordship, because after 22 days, FIR loss, Your Lordship. Actually, victim's brothers was present at the spot, Your Lordship, on that house, Your Lordship, whose name is Abu Talib Mullah, is 13 years. His name is mentioned here. Here the victim and this petitioner, number 1, Monwar Hussain, husband, are cousin brother and sisters, Your Lordship. Marriage took place but not long last, Your Lordship, and reside adjacent house, Your Lordship, of the same village. All are relatives, Your Lordship.
It will be difficult to grant anticipated bail without the conclusive report, FSL report. So we will send it back and we'll call for the FSL report.
Yes, sir. So in the meantime, the petition on item number 3 may kindly protected, Your Lordship.
No,
There is a delay of 22 days, Your Lordship.
Item
And
Item number 3 cannot be protected. We'll send it back, we'll call for evidence of witnesses, statements of witnesses against this person. Item number 3.
actually, at that time, the victim's brother on Abu Talib Mullah present at the spot, Your Lordship. No one present, Your Lordship. And all are resided at adjacent house of the same village. Both the parties. Till next date, petition number, item number 3 petition may kindly protect only Monwar Hussain.
Please sit down. Please, just a moment, I'll go to
Yeah.
there. and
Yes.
get it. So why will they give false evidence according to you?
Lordship,
Why will they give false statement according to you?
false statement.
That they have given statements, family members basically, not other witnesses. To offer no? Why will they give false which reminder list and background? Interim order shall remain in force till then.
May I please, your lordship, my senior is on legs, lordship, kindly the matter be
Okay,
kept time.
okay.
Oblige.
Item number 22 and 25 are analogous, my lord.
22,
And-
24 and 25, my
24 was it?
24.
Okay.
My lord, this my lord matter has gone through by my lord KK first, my lord. I pray my let it be on day after tomorrow, my lord, because
KK
it will,
Prakash.
yes, sir. And it will take some time here, my lord.
Both are on protection and one matter is on 16/7. So let it be on that.
16, but I cannot say that, but let it be on day after tomorrow, day after it is, if it is cannot be done, my lord, then it has to go.
Let's take a look.
Yes,
27.
27. How many matters?
27 it will,
27.
Or 20.
because vacation is the CD is there, because CD is there, my lord.
Send it
So,
to CD.
26,
27 not possible to.
not
accommodate.
27 it will
Let
be.
it be on 16/7 because analogous matter is also fixed.
No, no, 16/7 is there, madam, but CDU is there, so
We'll
I am
send it
saying
back.
it will be really difficult then, madam. So it will have to send back the CD.
Yeah, we'll send it back.
It is from Dispur only, man. That will not be a problem.
16/7.
16/7. Let me check, my lord, the date kindly. Yes, my lord, on 16/7, along with AB number
As agreed by-
730.
As agreed by both the sides, list the matter on 16/7. Send back the CD, call for the up-to-date CD.
Interim protections may be
List the
continued.
matter on 16/7 along with which one?
730
AB
oblique
number?
2025.
লিখিলা?
AB number 730 oblique 2025.
Interim order shall remain in force till then. Okay. Oh. No, you can.
Much obliged.
No,
I'll hear you. Item 26. Till 11:45 I can hear.
May I please, lordship. On item 26, learned conduct council is unwell, lordship. Can I make a day after tomorrow, lordship?
No.
LCR is received, lordship. Search matter.
46, Nikima? Day after tomorrow, I won't be able to pick up so many matters at a.
Okay, then 26. Published.
25 fine. On 27.
Okay. Published.
Direct Council, Mr.
Ad hoc on behalf of N. Hassan.
Our Hawk on behalf of N. Hassan has paid for adjournment. Is the matter on 27.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, bail petition under section 482.
but
Lordship, I'm
in
on-
this case, my lord, they are on interim, my lord, CD not received, my lord.
CDS call for.
Otherwise, lordship, it's a very minor matter.
Is the matter on?
After
21.
vacation.
Otherwise, lordship, it's a very minor matter. Lordship, it's a
15
matrimonial
July.
dispute.
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Obliged.
That will be. My lord, pre-arrest bail application, my lord. One petitioner before your lordship. As per my instruction, my lord, there is no
9 also, my lord, CD not received, a scan copy.
scan copy received, my lord. Took time, my lord, to verify, my lord, and search, my lord, Boisho. Earlier occasion, my lord. They last Friday. Boisho took time to receive. Oh. Earlier occasion, my lord, Boisho said, my lord, it was received. Yes,
He is coming, my lord. After some time.
Okay,
Yeah.
after some time.
my lord. Obliged.
And lordship was pleased to release one of the co-accused on bail.
Oh.
I have a copy of that. And Bihan's judgments also lordship may kindly. This.
Yes.
I'm praying for the parity lordship.
Parity and grounds of arrest.
Parity and ground variance.
What is the contraband?
Contravent is ganja lordship,
How much?
25 kg lordship. Not recovered from me lordship. Recovered from the driver and the driver has been given on bail.
10 kgs is commercial quantity.
20 kg is
20
commercial.
kgs is commercial quantity. Recovered from the driver.
Lordship.
You were not in
From
the
the
vehicle.
vehicle.
From the vehicle. I was in the vehicle.
I was in the vehicle. I was the helper lordship.
Okay, anything else?
Lordship.
Yes.
So regarding lordship, that 47 notice and all lordship, but that I have already made my submission on that day lordship.
This is after Pankaj Bansal.
Lordship. That
And
they,
that,
on that,
it is not yaba or that tramadol tablets. This is 25 kgs of ganja. I think can be granted
okay.
under your objection.
Apart from that lordship, whether that
How many witnesses were examined?
Not a single witness lordship.
Not a single witness. I think can be granted under much objection.
but no, only on the point of that person.
Hmm?
Only on that point lordship, but not on the section 47 notice.
Not on section what? That because of that submission,
Because lordship.
that long submission. Okay. Okay. Not on section 47, but other
On
other
long
matters.
As your lordship pleases.
I'm keeping this judgment with me, Vihan Kumar.
Lordship can have it.
Our learned counsel, Mr. A. Bhattacharjee, for the petitioner, so and so, who has filed his application under section 483 of the BLWS 2023 with waiver for bail as is behind bars since
27 to 24.
27 to 24.
27 to 2024
In
in connection with
connection with
special and
Delgaon
case
PS case number 44 of
No, not PS, special and
yes, special lordship.
special and case number 19 of 2024, as in out of Dolgaon PS case number so and so under so and so sections. Art Mr. PS Locker, learned additional 50 Assam. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner is behind bars for 482 days. To stop, not a single witness has been examined. To stop, one co-accused has already been enlarged on bail. The petitioner has prayed for bail on the grounds of parity. It is further submitted that not a single witness has been examined so far. How many enlisted witnesses?
10 lordship, 10.
There are 10 enlisted witnesses cited in the charge sheet. And as not a single witness has been examined so far, culmination of trial appears to be remote. Our learned additional PP, Mr. P.S. Locker, who has raised serious objection, stating that the petitioner is booked and in a heinous offense booked in connection with a heinous offense. 25 kgs of ganja was recovered while the petitioner was transporting the ganja. On the contrary, the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the ganja was not recovered from the petitioner, but from the driver. The petitioner was the helper in the vehicle bearing registration number.
Registration number, guy registration number to go.
AF 25 EC 4855. To stop the allegation against the petitioner and the co-accused is that on next priority 26/2/2024 on a T4, a Naka checking was held at NH 15 near Batabari. And the petitioner along with his co-accused were intercepted while they were proceeding in a Tata DI pickup bearing registration numbers AS-25 EC4855. Full stop. On searching the vehicle, 25.230 kgs of suspected ganja were recovered, concealed under white colored polythene bag. Full stop. Bags, polythene bags. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. I have also considered the length of detention. Full stop. Not a single witness has been examined so far. Full stop. It appears that the petitioner's right to personal liberty. It appears that culmination of trial indeed appears to be remote. I have considered the submission that the petitioner is willing to cooperate with the remaining part of the trial and to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon him. I have scrutinized the trial court records. Considering all aspects, it appears that bail may be granted to the petitioner. I have also considered the peculiar facts and circumstances with this case. Full stop. The petitioner is thereby enlarged on bail of rupees 1 lakh with a local surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the learned trial court under the conditions that the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged. Number 2, the petitioner shall is from that place or from some other place.
From Udalguri.
Oh, Udalguri, Lordship.
And this case is pending in Mohol.
Mongoldoy, Lordship.
Okay.
Special judge
He's
Mongoldoy.
not a local person. Not a local person.
He
He belongs to Udalguri
Udalguri.
and this case is pending in Mohol. The petitioner shall not jump the bail. To refrain from Dikila, no? The petitioner shall not try to exercise threats to witnesses or to influence them. On breach of any of the bail conditions, the learned trial court is at liberty to immediately cancel the bail granted to the petitioner. Finding item 10.
Diploma, Lordship. May it please your Lordship. My lord, here, my lord, regular bail application, my lord. No, around 2 years, 5 months in custody, my lord. That is around, my lord, 888 days as on today, my lord.
2 years.
2 years, 5 months, 6 days, my lord. And ganja, it is, my lord, 3 kg, 400 grams, but my lord, yaba tablets, that is 1,500 numbers, my lord. That is around, my lord, 150 gram, my lord. We have checked up, my lord. But 50 gram is, my lord, commercial. Like, my lord, then, my lord, it is like 60 kg of ganja, my lord. What I like, my lord, 20 kg. So
No, but ganja is.
that is
yaba
true.
is bad.
That is true. That is true. That is
It
true.
will completely
That is
damage
true.
the.
Methamphetamine, my lord.
entire
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
person, including health.
Yes, definitely. It is misused, my lord, as nowadays Lordship knows, my lord. Yeah, my lord, last time Lordship rejected this bail application, my lord. That Lordship, can you have a look at last page, my lord? That starts from, my lord, page 74, my lord. And the relevant, my lord, page 75, last line, my lord.
150 grams yaba tablets meaning the 1,000 yaba tablets.
1,500.
What is the number? Ganja? 1,000 how much?
1,500 numbers, my lord.
Okay.
Not packet,
And
numbers.
what is the ganja?
Ganja is 3 kg, 400 grams, my lord.
Page 74.
75, my lord, last line, my lord. My lord, 74, my lord. It was rejected on, my lord, 22/1/24, my lord. That is possibly more than 1 year, 5 months back, my lord.
Okay.
And page 75, my lord, last, my lord, para 7, my lord. Lord should see that it was rejected at that stage, my lord. Page 75, last line, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, page 76, my lord. Lordship was pleased to, my lord, pass an order to directing the, my lord, learned trial court, my lord, to expedite the trial, my lord.
How many witnesses have been examined?
Now, my lord, 3 witnesses.
Out of
But
how
to
many?
be fair enough, my lord, last order, my lord, which your lordship passed, my lord. At that point of time, no witnesses came, my lord. The lordship observation is there, my lord, because 1 and 2 were the relatives of the present accused petitioner. So lordship was of the view that since they are relatives, they did not appear. So lordship did not take into account the period of custody, my lord, at that stage to grant bail, my lord.
Till 8.
Now, my lord, whatever lordship knows, it is the prerogative of the investigating agency, my lord, which witness they want to examine. But they did not take steps, my lord, to compel their process also, my lord. Compel them to appear, my lord. Only because of the earlier observation that I am placing, my lord. They could have passed learned court also, trial court, they could have passed appropriate order, my lord. That was not done, my lord. But subsequent to that also, my lord, it is now more than 1 year,
Yes,
5 months.
last order.
So 3 witnesses only. And all orders we have annexed, my lord. Several occasions, no PWs came up, my lord. Should I show those? Well, not
No,
all are there, my lord. So now
they
only,
will know.
only on the length of detention, my lord.
The last occasion your lordship has passed the order, my lord, page 75. It is stated that on behalf of the petitioner has been languishing in the jail for 1 year, where but not a single witness examined, my lord. That is the stage at that time, my lord. Page
Yes, yes.
75. At that moment, my lord, only 1 year, some months have been gone by, and no witnesses examined. There also your lordship has taken the, my lord, taken the ground, my lord, that under section 37, my lord, embargo is there. So now also, today also embargo is still there, my lord, because the commercial quantity has been, and from the conscious possession, my lord. And now, my lord, now the case has been progressing, and now 3 witnesses has been examined out of 8, my lord. So now the case has been, at that point, no witnesses examined, and now, my lord, 3 witnesses examined within this, my lord, 1 year, my lord. So, my lord, now, my lord, long incarceration and regarding vis-a-vis, my lord, my lord, regarding 37, and also whether his personal liberty is a cartel without following due procedure of law, my lord, that is a different thing, my lord, because if he is, my lord, behind bars, my lord, without any trial, my lord, without any, then it's a different thing, my lord. But now, my lord, witnesses are examined, my lord. So long incarcerations may not come at this stage, my lord. And then secondly, my lord, the lordship will find some orders, my lord, where lordship will find that for last 5-6 months, my lord, there is no representation from the petitioner side, my lord. And ultimately, my lord, the court has to appoint one legal aid counsel, my lord.
আমার জন্য কান্ড।
Exactly the same.
Possibly that is only one date, my lord. My learned colleague is appearing before that court. my lord.
Because it is from I have seen from this from December, and the record is before me. My lordship may also verify with the record, my lord. From December and thereafter, my lord, on the last occasion, my lord, one somebody has appeared and he has prayed for filing wakalatnama, and the case is proceeded.
You see, when there was no representation, did the witness come?
Witnesses,
witnesses present
no,
at that-
witnesses, yes, some 1 or 2 days witnesses, one present, my lord. And so legal aid counsel has been appointed. my lord.
No,
So,
one witness was present.
yes, one witness present at this time. So in that way, my lord, it is not only a fault of the petition, my lord, prosecution, my lord, that there is languishing, because at that point of time, he is also no representation, so legal aid counsel, thereafter, my lord, somebody has appeared on behalf of him, and the trial has been proceeding, my lord. That is, in this way, 3 witnesses have been examined, my lord. So, my lord, at this stage, my lord, since the
not represented court.
trial is commencing at a regular pace, my lord, so lordship may not take into account the period of long incarceration, because it is my lord, and also from the FIR, only from the FIR, lordship will find, my lord, that 2 persons were arrested. One is with Ganda, and he is from, my lord, tablets, Mayaba tablet. and both are hand in glove, my lord. They are peddlers, my lord. Because from the submission of another co-accused, he was, my lord, his house has been searched, and from him these tablets were recovered, my lord. So there is a conspiracy. So my as per section 37, there is embargo is still there, my lord, because the lordship has to make satisfied, my lord, whether he is guilty or not. From these materials, my lord, the lordship may not be able to satisfy itself, my lord.
Any other ground?
My lord, I'll, lordship may go, should I place all the dates, my lord? I have the note also, my lord. If your lordship kindly have a look at page 27, then 28, then 30, so all these dates, my lord, no PWs, my lord. Kindly have a look, my lord.
27, 28,
27, 28, then 29, then page 31, 32, 33,
page 27, 28, 39.
my lord, 29, 31, then 32, 33, 34, then 35, then 41, 43, then 73, then page 54 also, my lord, PW came, my lord, there was no APP, my lord. Kindly have a look at that order also, my lord. So all these dates, my lord,
PW came.
PW came, my
Yes,
lord,
PW came in.
but there was no APP on that day, my lord.
On
So
that
this happens, my lord, I am not on that, my lord, but thing is that, my lord, petitioner accused person is in jail, he has been regularly attending from the court and default doesn't make it, my lord.
Any other ground? What is his age?
Age, my lord, 25, my lord, no, 34, my lord. He is having his family, my lord. We have annexed, my lord. And my lord,
Sole breadwinner?
my lord.
Family sole breadwinner?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Two children, two minor children.
Two minor children he is having.
Okay, under objection, I'll grant bail. 2 years, 5 months.
Right.
Almost 2.5 years.
Right.
Called on his counsel, Mr. H. Hodi for the petitioner. Zakir Hussain, who has filed this application under section 483 of the bail and is behind bars since 71 to 2023 in connection with NDPS case number 70 of arising out of Satgaon PS case number so under so sections. Part Mr. P. Goswami, learned additional PP Assam. This is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner is behind bars for 2 years, 5 months, 6 days. First off, the right to personal right to personal liberty of the petitioner has been curtailed as out of 8, only 3 witnesses have been examined so far. It is not only the petitioner's fault which led to the procrastination of trial, but the state is equally responsible because because on a date 54, no?
54, my lord.
On 10/9/2024, when one witness was present, the learned APP was absent. Additional PP. The learned additional PP was absent. The last bail order passed by this court in connection with DA numbers 47/2005, 4705/2023. Reflect that on 22/1/2024, the bail prayer of the petitioner was rejected. With a direction to the learned trial court to expedite the trial, but the trial court has procrastinated the trial.
Bail petition can what's over Joanna saying.
The petitioner is the sole breadwinner of his family and he is the father of 2 minor children who are in a helpless situation as the petitioner is behind bars for 2 years, 5 months. For more than 2 years, 5 months, full stop. The learned additional PP has raised serious objections, stating that section under section 37 of the NDPS Act acts as an embargo as the petitioner is booked under a heinous offense. Full stop. The petitioner was caught red-handed while transporting 1,500 yaba tablets along with 3 kgs,
Which is 400 grams.
3 kgs, 400 grams of ganja. The petitioner is complicit and he is hand in glove with his co-accused.
Co-accused already granted bail, my lord.
Full stop.
I'm sorry.
Regarding non-appearance of the counsel of the matter.
The trial court records, the scanned copies of the trial court records clearly reveals that the petitioner was not represented by his counsel and one witness was present who could not be examined due to the absence of the against counsel. Stop. Finally,
No, on that legal aid counsel appointed, that is my submission.
finally, a legal aid counsel was appointed by the learned trial court to represent the petitioner.
18 no.
Lordship may not record that one which is present, Lordship may record that regarding the legal, since he is
For
not
the
there.
information, no one will.
My lord, that is one date possibly, and on that day also, my lord, no witness turned up, my lord, that is page 73, page
No,
that
20
order
days.
itself.
The one witness present to কাটি দিয়ে
Night, no?
নহয় হেৰি to defense order নহয় দেই এই last one witness present to কাটি দিয়ে
Payload only 3-1. Only on one date council was not there, my lord. 3/1/2025, that order.
It's okay.
No, 2-3 days, sir.
It's okay. Well, I have considered the submissions at the bar with Santosh, and I have also prepared the case that the allegation against the petitioner is that on 17/1/2023 on a depot. The investigating team went to the petitioner's house. Petitioner's house or whose house was checked on that day?
His house, search, my lord.
Petitioner's house.
তাৰপিছত তাতে
And on searching the petitioner's house, the aforementioned contraband was recovered. The allegations are indeed grave in nature. However, I have considered the length of detention to stop I've also considered the fact that the petitioner is the father of 2 minor children. Despite the incarceration, the petitioner, despite the incarceration, the court was successful in examining 3 out of 8 enlisted witnesses. I have also considered the submission that the petitioner is willing to cooperate with the remaining part of the trial and to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon him. the concern of the learners, the additional PP relating to the double pronged conditions of section 37 of the NDPS Act may be addressed by imposing strict conditions on enlarging the petitioner on bail. Full stop. In the wake of the foregoing discussions and considering the peculiar facts and circumstances of this case, comma, the petitioner is enlarged on bail of rupees 1 lakh with Guwahati, he's from Guwahati.
My lord,
This case is pending in Guwahati.
Guwahati, my lord.
Under the 1 lakh with 2 local sureties of like amount under the condition that the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he challenged. The petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission till completion of trial, and the petitioner shall not tamper with the evidence on breach of any of the bail conditions. Bail order, the court is at liberty to immediately cancel the bail granted to the petitioner.
Much obliged, my lord. Highly obliged.
Pending item 16. Item 16. Petitioner is not represented, leaves the matter petitioner to be heard. For interest of justice, for interest of. Pending item 21. Please do that for the 15 to them. Yes, yes.
My lord, the petitioner was granted the interim relief, lordship. The case there was called for.
You have the CD?
Lordship, he's a contractual employee in the office of the government side, lordship. And there are certain allegations. The prime allegation is against one Nasiruddin Sheikh, lordship. He also he has already been granted the privilege of PRS bail in this case. And in a separate case, he was arrested, lordship. Subsequently, I don't know whether he is released or isn't today. I don't know, lordship. Is that instruction I don't have, lordship. But in the present case, the prime accused has already been granted that privilege of PRS bail, lordship. And medical condition of the present petitioner is was taken into consideration at the time of granting the interim relief, lordship.
What is his medical, where are his documents?
Lordship, I have annexed as page 14 onwards, lordship. Annex 2, he is having a history of neuroseizure, lordship. And subsequently, he developed critical ailment in the LBA, lordship. Still, he is lower back act, lordship. But it has become very critical, lordship. So he at the relevant point of time, he was kept under the support of wheelchair, lordship. In fact, when the matter was case was filed before the Honorable High Court, he was taken under medical supervision, lordship. So I have all the subsequent medical documents also, lordship. Till today, he is under treatment, lordship.
Yes, on medical ground, here interim bail was granted and subsequently he has appeared. His statement also recorded. Main culprit is Vendaberg. I have gone to the city, is Nasiruddin, that is there. But there are materials against this petitioner also. Regarding CMI house, they have uploaded some photograph with PS clipping. And but beneficiary list are genuine. But those beneficiaries did not get the actual amount. Actual amount was deposited in the name of other person, some other person. One mason is there. But Nasiruddin gave those account number and deposited the money in those accounts, and subsequently Nasiruddin collected those money from them. So regarding this petitioner, his statement recorded, he is one of the he stated that I am whatever document, those documents were collected by Nasiruddin, and he is the coordinator only. Some is there, something is there. Otherwise, now Nasiruddin medical ground, I am otherwise, and he has a big statement recorded. But
we'll make it absolute under objection. Our learned counsel, Mr. D. Das, for the petitioner, Kulajati Kolita, who has filed his application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as is apprehending arrest in connection with so and so PS case under so and so. Heard Mr. PS Locker, learned. Oh, sorry. He was there all the time, so. Her learner council, her learner additional PP, Mr. KK Parashar for the state. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner is suffering from history of neuro seizure. Annexure 2 are his medical documents. The petitioner was granted the privilege of interim bail as he was suffering from lower backache.
Lots
And
severe lower back.
Severe lower backache and was confined to wheelchair at the time of the investigation. The prime accused has already been arrested in connection with this case.
No, he has been granted the privilege of pre-arrest.
Or the prime accused has been granted the privilege of anticipatory bail in connection with this case. The petitioner has also prayed for pre-arrest bail on the ground of parity. Learned additional PP has raised serious objections stating that there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner, full stop. The petitioner has appeared before the IO and his statement has been recorded. Full stop. The petitioner was a coordinator of the prime accused Nasiruddin.
No, coordinator of the Gaon Panchayat.
Coordinator of the government.
Coordinator of the Gaon Panchayat, Nasiruddin. Full stop.
Kollanpur Gaon Panchayat.
Kollanpur Gaon Panchayat.
Still, he is working.
Nasiruddin. Full stop. The allegation against the petitioner is that he has coordinated in siphoning of funds from the account of from the beneficiaries to Nasiruddin.
No.
To the account of Nasiruddin.
No, not to the account, to the account of some other person,
Or
And
to the account of some other persons, full stop. It is submitted that a list of PMAY, a genuine list of PMAY was prepared, but the beneficiaries did not get the money sanction for the benefit of PMAY housing. Full stop. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. I have also scrutinized the case diary. Indeed, there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. Full stop. However, I have considered the petitioner's ailment. The petitioner is ailing seriously. I have also considered the fact that the petitioner has appeared before the IO and his statement has been recorded. Full stop. The petitioner has not violated any bail conditions. Considering all aspects, the interim order dated 12/3/2025 is hereby made absolute.
He will appear as a.
Send back the CD, huh?
He will forward the IO letter.
Okay. Under the condition that made absolute, under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO as and when summoned by the IO.
That's if one.
Cooperate with the investigation.
Lots if he's still working as a coordinator. Kollanpur Gaon Panchayat. He's still working. Lots of though on leave, but he's still there.
He is a coordinator. He was not.
May it please your lordship, in this matter, I'm seeking an adjournment because the engaged counsel.
Okay. Why adjournment?
Engaged counsel is from Manipur. There's some difficulty in Manipur right
Is
now.
in
He
Manipur,
couldn't-
okay.
Yes, he couldn't.
Learned counsel, item number 30, no?
31.
31. Learned counsel, Mr. Yoni
See, Gogoi.
C. Gogoi has prayed for adjournment as the learned engaged counsel is in
Yes.
Manipur.
Yes, sir.
You have the CD?
CD is there, madam.
So we'll send it back
Before vacation.
after vacation.
After vacation, Manipur will problem for them.
We'll send it back. Send back. You are on interim.
Yes,
Interim
yes,
back.
yes.
Send back the CD. Huh?
From my lord, Ringan, again, my, again.
Otherwise, your lordship may then fix it before the vacation. It's a short matter. The allegation,
It is possible.
allegation herein, your lordship, is regarding receipt of rupees 4 lakhs. So it is primarily a civil dispute which has been given a color of criminal dispute. The allegation is that
You
the,
will submit.
I can submit, your lordship. The facts of the case are that, your lordship, your lordship, if it's before the vacation, then I'll submit. If your lordship puts it after the vacation, then I'll seek an adjournment. Because before the vacation, it will be difficult for him to come.
Earlier adjournment was not taken, so we can send it back. Send back the CD, call for the up-to-date CD, list the matter on. Interim order shall remain in force till then. You are on interim bail, no?
Yes, your lordship. Obliged.
Item 32. Item number 32.
Yes, we are not taking.
32.
এই যে আসলে দেখুন দত্তকো দাসকো দিয়েছিল নামাজকো দিয়েছিল দেখুন You have the CD? Why they are not here? রাতিপুৱা দেখিছিল দেখোন We'll wait for some time.
Item 33.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, there's a pre-arrest bail application, lordship. Lordship may find the FIR on page 8 and the vernacular one on page 12. Lordship, may I read the FIR, lordship? And
Yes.
I'm not on interim, lordship. With due respect, I beg to state that Sri Mukut Borua, son of so-and-so, and his wife Zita Tai, of ward number so-and-so, address so-and-so, collecting huge amount of money from various unemployed youth by false assuring for providing service in different government departments. Some false appointments were also given to some youths. They also collect rupees 9 lakhs from me for myself, my wife, and my daughter. They also collected rupees 18 lakh in installment for some of my known youth persons. Subsequently, the demand to beg their money on coming to know the false assurance. Thereafter, on 27/3/2022, they assured us to back our money through a notarized document. But since then, we have not been able to find out them, even they also not responding the phone call. Presently, they are hidden somewhere, therefore.
Okay.
Madam, there are witnesses of several persons, madam. They are witnesses of several persons, madam, from whom they have taken money for providing job. And also there another, madam, madam, he is the husband, madam.
No.
Mukut Borua.
Present petitioner, husband was arrested and he had applied for regular bail and he was granted bail. But and lordship may kindly see that this FIR was registered on 2023 January. It's a long pending case, lordship.
Mukut Borua's statement is there, his husband's statement. He has admitted that yes, they have taken money because this Sita time, madam, she is a government official, madam, government, he can manage for job. But in this way, madam, they have taken money from several.
He's suspended now?
He's under, she has got the SOCOS.
And
because
money they have taken.
Only show cause, not suspended.
Lordship, I do not have that instruction, but I have the instruction that the SOCOS is there. And she is a medical department employee, lordship, and lordship.
No, let me see the CD.
It's a long pending case.
Not anticipated bail. Any other ground?
Lordship, it is a long pending case. Investigating officer has got
This is-
sufficient time to investigate the matter.
Better
Lordship,
for not
whether
getting anticipated.
at this stage, lordship, my custodial interrogation is required, lordship.
You sit down for 5 minutes. I'll just go through the statements of the witnesses.
Last, the statement of the police.
Already my husband has undergone custody, lordship.
You have children?
Lordship.
Not now.
Lordship, the allegation is under section 406, Lordship, which is only 3 years punishment. And Lordship, at this stage, if some protection is given to me, my statement may be recorded. After that, up to that case diary may be called for. If anything is there, Lordship, then Lordship may reject it that time, Lordship.
How can it be 406?
406 is there, Lordship, as per the FIR, Lordship.
It cannot be 406.
120B and 406 is there. No added section after that. Maximum punishment is 3 years, Lordship, considering the nature of offense, Lordship. At this stage, some protection may be given, Lordship. Lordship, may find my submission part on page 3, para 5, Lordship. It was the version, as per their version, it was a business relationship between the complainant and the husband of the present petitioner.
No. The witnesses have not said so. There are other witnesses, not only the aggrieved. There are other witnesses also. They have not said so. They have stated that they have been taking money to provide them portrait employment because they are very well connected with the politicians,
Lordship,
ministry, all this.
Lordship, I'm a government employee, Lordship. There is no chance that I will escape, Lordship. Just that some protection, if my statement is recorded, after that, the
See,
up-to-date copy may.
good piece of advice is you appear surrender before the court. I am sure you'll be granted bail. Charge has been submitted, no?
No, sir. No,
Okay,
sir.
so maybe charge
And
may not be submitted.
And there is no other case against me. If there is any witness, but there is no other case against me. No FIR lodged also. No FIR has been lodged.
No,
No other FIR.
they are stating only about this family, Amitabh Datta's family, not other
But
families.
an affidavit in the FIR itself, it is mentioned that an affidavit has been made to return back the money. If there are transactions, but not regarding to giving the job.
I have seen some affidavits. Let me check.
And since the husband has been of the petitioner has been arrested, and now he was granted bail after 60 days after the mandatory, and he is willing to return the money back as per my instruction, Lord. The position she holds is dermatology, and she is in no way not in a position that she can give any job, Lord.
There are some affidavits.
The ID is on page 14, Lordship. She is not in a position that she may give any job, Lord.
That this person has borrowed money, 18 lakhs to return within 2 years. Then there are some affidavits that this person, Mukul Borua, has borrowed rupees from Sikhamuni Sunwal, 8 lakhs to return within 2 years at the same period of time.
And
So maybe they have given all these affidavits, so they cannot, they cannot openly agree in affidavit that we are paying for job like cash for job. So it's like borrowing in business account.
But in affidavit also, they have accepted the affidavit. But
Makhoni Korita, she has also given rupees, she has also paid rupees 4,50,000 to be returned same period in 2 years. And then all are induced by, person is Mukut Borua, but induced by Jitakai. So
Lordship,
take.
after as the husband
you
of
return the money, then you come again, I'll
Yes,
get the
Lord.
bill.
Lordship, may kindly grant us some time as the petitioner husband is already in regular bail, Lordship. He has been granted regular bail and he is out recently. I may instruct and I will take instruction if they have done any.
No. For learned counsel, Mr.
D. Methila.
D.
D. Methila.
For the petitioner Jita Tai, who has filed this application under section 482 of the BNW 2023 with waiver for clearance bail, as the petitioner is apprehending arrest in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections. Part Mr. MP Goswami learned addition 50 Assam, who has raised serious objections stating that they are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. Full stop. The allegation against the petitioner is that she and her husband with the promise of providing appointments to some youths collected rupees 9 lakh from the informant Amitabh Datta, and rupees 18 lakhs from other unknown youths. Full stop. When the money was demanded back, false assurances were given by the petitioner and her husband that they have been appointed. Full stop. On 27/3/2022, some notarized agreements were executed to return the money. So this is not business transaction.
Not-
This is the notarized. We have 3 of them here
Yes.
in this record. Now the petitioner, at present, the petitioner and her husband have been avoiding calls from the victims. Aggrieved, victims from the aggrieved. I have also scrutinized the case diary, indeed the incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. The allegation is of a serious nature. The petitioner, being a government employee, has been indulging in procuring cash for job. Full stop. Considering all aspects, at this juncture, I'm not in, there appears to be no justified ground to extend the privilege of anticipatory bail to the petitioner. Petition stands rejected at this stage, send back the CD.
Obliged.
32.
Meet with your lordship. My lord, in this.
You have another matter also.
This is the matter.
Well, in this matter, my lord, the petitioner is already on interim, my lord. He has appeared and he has cooperated with the investigation.
Ever assuming.
Interim, yes.
এটা বন্ধ করে দিবা, হ্যাঁ?
The dead body of my husband was floating in the Tapang bill. When the matter was apprised to the administration, the Kachar district administration, along with the magistrate, appeared on the spot and took the dead body in their custody.
Yes, my lord, I have tag marked the portions, my lord. Here, my lord, the question is that.
Sasha has been submitted.
My lord, the LCR is there, my lord. Here, my lord, before my lord perusing the record, my lord, in the search sheet, my lord, that is in the petition, my lord. It is a page 27 of the petition. My lord, here, my lord, the PM report that was, my lord, awaited, my lord, and for the chemical analysis, my lord. That is a receipt from the, my lord, Director of Forensic, my lord. Here in the forensic report, my lord, it is stated, my lord, it is in page 28, my lord. First paragraph, last part, my lord. That is, then the final opinion of the cause of death, my lord, earlier there is a no poison was detected in the exhibit so and so, so and so. Then the final opinion cause of death is received by so and so, Department of Forensic Medicine, so and so, opined that the date of disease of so and so due to anti-mortem suicidal hanging. Now, my lord, that is the body recovered, my lord, from the, my lord, the pond, my lord, which was, my lord, floated. And my lord, here, my lord, that is the present accused petitioner. He is the, my lord, FIR name accused number 3, my lord. Accused number 1 and accused number, FIR number accused number 1 and FIR number accused number 3, my lord. Both are brothers, my lord. Here, my lord, the date of incident is 9/4/2024, when, my lord, an Azahar was lost, my lord, which is stated in the FIR. My lord, that is the person who was not, my lord, found, my lord, thereafter. And 11/4/2024, my lord, the body was floated, my lord. From that particular 11/4/2024, present accused petitioner, he was suspected and he is not, my lord, in his home, my lord. So, and my lord, from there is a dispute between them also. regarding the petty cultivation, my lord. And with accused number one also, there is a dispute
You see,
because
there is anti-mortem suicidal hanging.
that part was there, but my lord, body was recovered, my lord, from the own mine.
No, but he is already anti-mortem suicidal hanging, already committed suicide.
My lord, that part is there. Otherwise, I will leave it to your lordship, my lord. Because my lord, body is recovered from the pawn mine.
And then the Sashit was submitted under which section?
My lord, 302, my lord. He is absconder, my lord. Against 7, my lord, accused persons has said submitted. Amongst them, my lord, 2 were my lord absconder. He filed the, my lord, there is a bail application before the additional session that was rejected. Other parts, my lord, his name in some cases was there, but I'll leave it to your lords.
Okay, you appeared there
Yes, ma'am.
in the court of the CJM.
CGM, my lord, at this stage, appearance stage, my lord.
He already received the summing, summon, my lord. And through his my engaged counsel, he appeared, my lord. That order also I have found, my lord.
Took time, my lord, to approach before your lordship. He will appear, my lord, and my lord, face the trial, my lord.
But learned counsel Mr. M.U. Mahmood for the petitioner.
AM Baldwin.
Hmm?
AM Baldwin, my lord.
Oh, sorry. I'm mixing both of you together. Heard learned counsel Mr. A.M. Baldwin for the petitioner. Nam to Riva Swenso, who has filed this application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail, as is apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so pay. So, apprehending arrest in connection with PRC case number 595 of 2025, arising out of so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections, part with Secretary Botio, learned additional PT Assam. The petitioner has been shown as absconder in the charge sheet, and a summons has been issued against him. The petitioner was, the petitioner approached the sessions of court for pre-arrest bail,
My lord.
but his bail petition was rejected in connection with which case? Case number?
In this case.
Oh, you had earlier approached this court.
No, session court, my lord.
In
And not,
connection-
as per order, my lord, there is nothing. I have
in
also annexed.
connection with this case, which was registered as criminal misdeed case number 100-111/2025. And by order dated 16/5/2025, the learned additional session judge, Hailakandi, has rejected the petitioner's petitioner's prayer for pre-arrest bail. So now the petitioner is before this court. It is submitted that the petitioner is willing to cooperate with the trial. The petitioner is apprehending arrest as summons has been issued against him. And he has been shown as a responder in the charge sheet. It is further submitted, I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. Learned additional PP, Mr. K. Busher has raised serious objections stating that the FIR clearly indicates that the petitioner is involved in is responsible for the victim's death. Full stop. I have scrutinized the trial court records and I have considered the submissions at the bar. Full stop. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the charge sheet has been laid against the petitioner on conclusion that that was anti-mortem hanging. Because of the learned additional PP has raised objections stating that the petitioner, although that was opined as anti-mortem hanging, the petitioner's body was found in a drain.
My lord.
Drain
But
No, lord.
my lord, that is in
In a
pawn
pool of
mine.
water, my lord, my lord.
or
Pawn mine.
petitioner's body was found in a pool of water. At this juncture, I have taken pragmatic view. The learned trial court has, the learned jurisdictional court has issued summonses against the petitioner, and the petitioner is willing to cooperate with the trial. The petitioner is hereby directed to appear before the Elaka Magistrate Stroke Jurisdictional Court and apply for bail. And the learned, who is the jurisdictional court?
Matlab now matlab CGM matlab
And
at
the
an
learned
stage matlab.
CGM, huh?
Matlab he has received notice, he will appear CGM matlab.
And a learned CGM which
Hailakandi.
Hailakandi shall enlarge the petitioner on and apply for bail, shall release the petitioner on bail of rupees 50,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the learned CGM. Okay? Anything else to be added or subtracted? Nothing.
He may matlab add any other condition if necessary matlab.
The learned CGM may impose any other conditions to secure the attendance of the petitioner. May secure conditions of bail to secure attendance of the petitioner.
May I please proceed one submission, madam? In item 32, madam, is victim statement under section 183, madam. That is,
Item 183.
it's now 161. Just not
Anybody?
160.
Anybody else? Because
Yes,
after
Lordship.
two, we won't have sufficient time, I think.
Lordship, item 37, Lordship, CD is there, Lordship. Lordship, Lordship, case,
Perhaps he thought my left, the not be guys now.
Okay, we'll need some time. Okay,
Yes, after.
okay,
At two.
after two. He has to go to the CD.
yes,
At
Lordship.
two.
Anybody else?
35 can be taken.
35? Usi gol niki?
35. See.
Lordship, item 39.
Yes, yes.
Later may kindly be passed over for the Lordship.
Pass over for the day, yes.
May it be taken up after the vacation.
Learned Counsel Miss
Case to me, appearing on behalf of Mr. B.M. Chaudhary.
has prayed for adjournment. Place this matter positively for hearing on 7 August, as this is a long pending case.
Obliged, Lordship.
Anybody else? Nine, ठीक है sir. 5 minutes.
And the section is 318 that is cheating, and 3165 criminal breach of trust. Lordship, I was employed with Kotak Mahindra Bank, Nagaon branch, in particular relation to loan sanctioned to some borrowers by banks' centralized credit and operation teams. Lordship, I serve as a sales relationship manager at Kotak Mahindra, Nagaon. From the period of 11th of January 2024 to 14th of November 2024, is it 10 months last. I was not
January
2024, 14th November 2024,
up to 14. Which January? Which date? January
11th of January 2024
for
to
10 months.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I was not the sanctioning or disbursement authority of any loan, Lordship. I am being a sales related relationship manager. My role was limited to field level support and document collection only, Lordship. The approvals of loans, disbursement, and are handled entirely by the bank's decentralized credit and operations teams, Lordship. Lordship, there is no direct evidence of criminal intent on my part, Lordship.
Okay.
I am unfairly implicated, Lordship, in this. I don't have any criminal antecedents, Lordship, that arrest at this stage will not serve any purpose, Lordship, as the investigation can proceed without custodial interrogation, Lordship. I seek only the protection from the arrest, Lordship, not immunity from the investigation, Lordship. Lordship, so kindly allow me the pre-arrest bail.
I have a, my lord, preliminary objection in this case, my lord. Here, my lord, one case is pending, my lord, in session judge number 2, Nagaon, my lord. So what is the fate of that case, my lord? My lord, there is
One
nothing.
case is pending against this person.
This person, my lord. That is a bail application, my lord. And their CD was called for. And in this petition, my lord, there is no whisper about that, my lord. So what is?
No, that was rejected, Lordship.
There is nothing in the petition, my lord.
Already been rejected, Lordship.
Another case.
মই লিখিছো চাগে,
No annexure is made, my lord.
but not annexure is made,
Because
but
it
it's
is,
already rejected,
now
Lord.
it is obligatory, my lord, that they have to, my lord,
Yes, yes.
annex the.
Lordship,
order.
this, in my petition, is paragraph number 13, Lordship.
There is a Supreme Court judgment.
Yes, but they have to annex the judgment by order.
Lordship, this has been disposed, Lordship, is rejected, Lordship. Anticipated bail application number 510/25, paragraph, page number 7, Lordship. I have mentioned here.
Mention is there, but that in the order.
Additional district and session judge, however, the said application was rejected by the learned court wide order dated 9th of April 2025, Lordship. Already been rejected, Lordship.
Page number?
7.
Page number
Lordship.
7,
7,
paragraph
Lordship.
13.
Paragraph number 13.
But that order has to be brought before this court.
Hmm. And anything else?
Yes, other things are there, my other things are, he is very much, my lord, his involvement is there regarding misappropriation, my lord. If your lordship kindly see the FIR, my lord, there is separate incidents where he has been, my lord, how he is dealing with the fund, my lord. Lordship, may kindly page 16, your lordship may kindly come. Here, lordship, make a second paragraph, my lord. Apart 1, 2, 3, just from the 4th line, my lord. He has duped the bank as well as borrowers of the bank by taking money from them on the guise of making deposits in their loan accounts. However, the said money was never deposited in the loan account, my lord. This is one offense, my lord.
Hmm.
And secondly, what he do, my lord? He used to, my lord, the loan used to be disbursed in an amount, my lord, that is higher than the purchasing amount, my lord. Suppose lordship, the cost of one vehicle is 17 lakhs, my lord. But the model they show is a higher model, my lord. That is in hand in glove with the dealer, my lord. Suppose, my lord, the 17 it is cost 17 lakhs, they will show a bigger model, my lord, more, my lord, than that, my lord. And suppose it is amount, it come to amount 19 lakhs, my lord. So these 2 lakhs they misappropriate, my lord, by being in conspiracy with the dealers, my lord. This is how he is and doing the, my lord, defrauding the bank, my lord.
But
This is
Lordship,
all-
I am not the sanctioning authority or disbursement authority. How can I sanction or how can I disburse the?
He may not be
amount.
disbursing also,
The
but
amount
he used
requested.
to make all the papers and he used to do all these jobs.
But someone has to sanction from
Someone
the
has to
bank,
sanction,
centralized
my lord.
credit, centralized
to be-
credit and operations
The
team has
quotation
done.
which was given to the bank, my lord. That is not the proper quotation, my lord. That was supplied, my lord. And he is in hand in glove with the dealers, my lord. This is what the case against him, my lord. This is one part. And regarding preliminary, my lord, the lordship has found, my lord, there is in the no annex, there is no, the order was not annexed. my lord.
My position is sales relationship manager only, relation with the customers only, but not sanctioning any loan or disbursement of any loan, Lordship. That has been done by
Please
the.
hand over the CD.
Lordship,
Her learned counsel, Mr.
M. Raman.
M. Raman, for the petitioner.
case is also, my lord, at nascent stage, the investigation is.
Yes, yes. I'll take everything into consideration. Akbar Khan, who has filed his application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for arrest bail, as he is apprehending arrest in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections. The FIR unfolds that
Lordship, in
the
record,
petitioner has duped the bank by submitting different pictures of houses of borrowers instead of actual pictures of their homes. First off, he has further duped the bank as well as borrowers of the bank by taking money from them on the guise of making deposits in their loan account, but the money was never deposited in the loan account and was misappropriated by the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner is at present an ex-bank employee, and he was holding the post of sales manager RM.
Relationship manager, sales relationship manager. Sales RM, minor.
Sales,
Regional.
post of
Relationship-
sales
relationship.
relationship manager at Guwahati branch since 11/1/2024, and he finally resigned on 14/11/2024. Full stop. While obtaining the loan while obtaining the loan of a borrower with a similar name, Akbar Khan, the petitioner uploaded the house of a neighbor to facilitate the loan of an MG Hector vehicle. Full stop. For an amount of rupees 1765,278, 1765,278, the petitioner, in connivance with the dealer of GMDS Motors Private Limited, Nagaon, procured a loan of rupees 21,91,800, 21,91,800. Full stop. Similarly, he has procured higher amount by displaying higher model of vehicle for other borrowers as well, in connivance with the dealer. During his tenure, the petitioner misappropriated an amount of rupees 2,26,625,000 from various borrowers, and the bank managed to recover an amount of rupees 80,200 from the petitioner, and the balance of rupees 1,46,425,000 is yet to be recovered. Full stop. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that he is not the sanctioning officer and he had no authority to sanction the loan. The which clearly implies that the sections under which the petitioner is booked are not attracted. Full stop. The London additional PP, Mr. MP Goswami, has raised serious objections, stating that that another case which has been pending, the copy of the order, copy of the order of bail of another case which has been pending against the petitioner is not annexed along with this petition, as is required by law. Full stop. their incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner who is working hand in glove with the dealer of the showroom as mentioned above. Full stop. The petitioner was successful in defrauding the bank. Full stop. The submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is not a sanctioning authority cannot be accepted. Full stop. It is submitted that sanction is that loans are sanctioned according to the quotation placed before the sanctioning authority, and the petitioner was deeply involved in procuring the sanction order. I have also scrutinized the case diary. Indeed, there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. The petitioner is a history sheeter and is thus at this juncture not entitled to pre-arrest bail. Full stop. It is clear that investigation may be adversely affected if the petitioner is insulated by an order of pre-arrest bail. I've also considered the gravity and the extent to which the funds have been siphoned off in the garb of obtaining car loans. At this juncture, this court is hesitant to extend the privilege of anticipatory bail to the petitioner. Petition since rejected at this stage stands, sent by the case diary.
Right.
May I please, your lordship? For a duty application, case there was called for in this matter, my lord. And I'd like to take your lordship, the vernacular of the affair, page 16, the case under section 64, this is 376. my lord.
Please.
16, 16. I'd like to read this affair, my lord.